I am Mr. Ravindra Bhalerao and I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Friends, today we are going to see some of the activity for the grammatical topic that is punctuation. Before watching this video, as usual, I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's see activity for punctuation. Question is like this. Punctuate the following sentences. अर्थात या ॲक्टिव्हिटीमध्ये एक्झाममध्ये 2 सेंटेन्सेस दिलेले असतात आणि विद्यार्थ्यांनी वाक्यांचं निरीक्षण करून त्यामध्ये योग्य विरामचिन्हांचा वापर करून ते वाक्य परत लिहायचे असते. इथे आपल्याला प्रॅक्टिससाठी बरेचशी वाक्ये दिलेली आहेत आणि शेवटी व्हिडिओच्या शेवटी काही या वाक्यांचे ॲन्सर्स देखील दिलेले आहेत. तर दिलेल्या वाक्यांची विद्यार्थ्यांनी प्रॅक्टिस करायची आहे. लेट्स सी द सेंटेन्सेस. 1. Then what's the secret of your energy? I ask. Next sentence. Let's speak together. Next. What's that? Said Kamal Kishore. Next. Maybe you are right, muttered Ramlal. Next. We want it now, chanted some of the crowd. Next. Didn't I tell you now? Take this book. Next sentence. I don't wish to talk about it, complained the sweeper boy. Next sentence. The disease worked its way into Stephen's body. Next sentence. What's your name, little one? Next. Yes, but I wonder what Bully will say. Next. Robert said, this girl is mad, isn't she? Next sentence. Rajan exclaimed how intelligent the girl is. Next sentence. Can you give Miss Mohan's phone number? Next. Open your books, boys, said the teacher. Next sentence. Tell me, Meena, is there a prince charming who changed you so? Next sentence. No, there isn't anyone like that, she said. Next sentence. What's your name, little one? Next sentence. Meena, it's a beautiful day, I said. Next. We won't get a taxi in this rain, I grumbled. Next. No, the sun is too hot. Next. I'm all excited. It's nice to meet old friends. Next sentence. Where do you disappear? Next. Is that so? Said Mrs. Srivastav. Next sentence. Well, I wish your luck, said Sitaram. Next sentence. Don't raise such dust, he called out to Nathu. Next sentence. As soon as I get my money, I'm off. Next. Where did you find it? Next sentence. What's it about? Next. Same with mine, said Margie. Next sentence. Sure, they were the same age. Next sentence. Can I read the book some more with you after school? Next sentence. Nothing on the earth would save us. Next. How boring. Next sentence. Oh, most great king. Next. You haven't heard this, have you? He asked. Next sentence. Have you brought your ticket? It asked the barber. Next sentence. Oh, do not fret, father. The king will not hang me, said daughter. Next sentence. The king said to his minister, how can we help our poor farmers? Next sentence. Then stay with me tonight, she said. Let's chat. Next, we won't get a taxi in this rain, I grumbled. Next sentence, let's go for a walk. Next, how's that, said Nathu. Sentences. All the sentences answers are given.